Welcome to Auspex, your AI-powered trading signals and execution platform. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every feature of the dashboard so you can start trading smarter. Let's dive in. This is your main dashboard, your command center for everything. At the top, you'll see live prices for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana updating in real time. On the left, your portfolio value shows your total balance, trading balance, realized profit and loss, and unrealized profit and loss with a performance chart. The Market Pulse panel on the right shows the current market sentiment. Right now, it's showing extreme fear, along with platform performance metrics like a 74.7% win rate. Below, you'll find active signals showing current trading opportunities, open positions tracking your live trades, and recent outcomes displaying your trade history. The AI activity feed at the bottom shows real-time analysis from the Auspex AI engine with detailed reasoning for each signal. Now let's look at the two types of trading signals. Click on Sniper in the sidebar. Sniper signals are high-conviction swing and trend signals. These are longer-term opportunities that the AI identifies with strong confidence. You can toggle between active signals and history. Next, click on Momentum. Momentum signals are fast-moving setups and bounce plays, shorter-term opportunities. Each signal shows the asset, direction, long or short, confidence level, and a live trading view chart with entry, stop loss, and take profit levels clearly marked. The Markets section expands beyond crypto. Click Markets in the sidebar. Here you'll find AI-powered signals for Forex, commodities, indices, and U.S. stocks. Filter by category using these tabs at the top. Each signal includes macro analysis, COT positioning data, and multi-timeframe confirmation. You can see signals for assets like Brent crude oil, Japanese yen, and silver with precise entry and exit levels. The Traders Chat is your community hub. Connect with other traders, share insights, and discuss market movements in real time. The News section is where Auspex really shines. It's not just news. Each story includes an Auspex analysis explaining how it relates to current market conditions and active signals. You can browse through stories using the carousel navigation and see the current market mood summarized at the bottom. Ask AI is your personal market intelligence assistant, a pro feature. Ask questions about the current market regime, get explanations of active signals, or inquire about specific trading opportunities. The AI has access to real-time market context, your signal data, and platform analytics to provide informed answers. Your wallet is completely non-custodial. Your funds stay in your own wallets at all times. You'll see two sections, your Auspex wallet for USDC on Arbitrum and your trading balance used by the bot. Fund your wallet using a debit card, Apple Pay, bank transfer, or by sending USDC directly. The cumulative profit and loss chart shows your trading performance over time. Your crypto and market positions are tracked separately at the bottom. The performance page gives you complete transparency on signal quality, filter by crypto or markets, and see overall performance or break it down by sniper versus momentum signals. Key metrics include win rate, currently 74.7%, profit factor at 2.46, average ROI of 5.56%, and detailed statistics like Sharpe ratio, max drawdown, and best and worst signals. Finally, settings is where you customize your trading experience. Set your position size, either a fixed dollar amount or percentage of balance. Choose your market preference. Auto mode lets the bot pick the best method, spot only for direct token purchases, or futures only for perpetual contracts with leverage. Adjust your leverage from 1 times to 10 times. Remember, higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses. Configure your take-profit split allocation across TP1, TP2, and TP3, set maximum open positions to manage risk, and enable AI agent auto-execution to let the bot trade automatically based on your parameters. That's the complete Auspex platform. Start with the dashboard, explore the signals, configure your settings, and let the AI work for you. Happy trading!